Developing and deploying presumptive diagnostic algorithms has proven to be challenging for the healthcare industry. Data science professionals are in high demand and very costly. Integrating machine learning, predictive algorithms into tools for frontline workers can often come with infrastructure, security, and scalability challenges. There's great value for healthcare organizations to train predictive algorithms with data representative of their patient population. Understanding the factors contributing to predictions and securely controlling who is able to use the predictive algorithms and thoroughly document the usage of the app. Realizing value can be challenging, but Microsoft offers a suite of tools that lowers the barriers to success. This use case is not intended to be deployed in the real world for diagnostics, but for the purposes of demonstrating the ease by which these types of presumptive diagnostic algorithms can be deployed to achieve realized value. This is a demo of how machine learning and predictive modeling can be used in healthcare scenarios to use variables to predict if a patient has a high likelihood of a specific disease. This uses Azure for machine learning and our Power Platform with Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. We hope that this demo shows the simplicity, agility, and security for deploying a diagnostic machine learning algorithm that can be used by frontline workers to lower the barrier to success of presumptive diagnostics.